Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the update on YFI token. On a weekly time frame chart, you can see that YFI token first broke out this very big and long-term down channel. And by the way, before the breakout, the price and also formed another smaller down channel as well and broke out both channels together, then broke out another falling wedge pattern, then broke out another falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, for the breakout for every these patterns, I've been telling you the target is here at the top of these patterns that was approximately at $11,240. That was a very long-term resistance, and you can see that every time the price one is getting rejected by this resistance, like after the breakout from this channel, it was rejected here. Despite this long spike here, up to approximately $16,000, the price and could not break out this resistance once again. And this time again, after the breakout, we had rallied beyond this target and the price end for a while also broke out this resistance of $11,240 as well. It got rejected by this long-term resistance zone. That starts from $14,200 and goes to $15,955. By the way, previously this resistance zone had been working as a resistance zone here, and again worked as a strong resistance zone. And now we have broken down the support of $11,240. And right now, the price and it's dropped down at a very long-term support and key demand zone that starts from $4,800 and goes to $4,019. And you can see whenever the price is visiting this key demand zone, we are watching very, very nice rallies. And this time the pricing is once again geared up after testing this key demand zone as well. By the way, this time we have only tested the top of this key demand zone that is here at $4,800. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after testing this support zone, pricing is geared up. And by the way, this support is also working as a support of a very big and long-term horizontal channel as well. If you move back here on the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this is this horizontal channel. And here we have the support of $4,800. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for AI, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 4th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive and powerful rally, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of YFI token. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, it is moving inside this horizontal channel. And while moving inside this horizontal channel, it is also breaking out different patterns. And by the way, we have been covering all patterns here on this channel. Like I have been showing you this breakout from this channel, this falling wedge pattern, and this falling wedge pattern as well. And I've been telling you before the breakout of every pattern that the target after the breakout will be here at the top of these patterns at $11,240. And now you can see that this time again, the price and rallied beyond that target, but got rejected by this long-term resistance zone. That's not from $14,200 and goes to $15,955. Now, after this rejection, we had a big drop, and now the pricing is, in fact, it has tested this support zone from $4,800 to approximately at $4,000. That is a complete support zone and very long-term key demand zone as well. You can see whenever the pricing is visiting this key demand zone, it is starting a very, very massive price reversal from here. Now we are again inside or above, slightly above this demand zone. So for now, I'm expecting another bounce from here. And at the same time, you can see that the Python is also gearing up from the support of a horizontal channel as well, because this support of $4,800 is also working as a very strong long-term support of horizontal channel. This time, if the Python hits the resistance of the channel, then it can hit the resistance here at $11,240. That is also another very long-term resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $11,240 has been previously working as a very strong resistance here, and resistance here as well. And in case of breaking out this horizontal channel, we can expect another very, very nice pump. and that target will the target for the breakout from this channel will be here approximately at this long-term resistance of $25,000 and has been previously working as a resistance here and support here for several weeks. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be somewhere between $95,000 to $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.